Hey everybody, it's your hospitality friend Glenn here on the show floor at AAHOA. I want to thank my friends over at Red Roof for sponsoring this space, but super excited because I have the honor, the privilege of interviewing the Michael Jordan of hotels, one and only Bruce Jordan over here. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Thank you for having me on the show.
It's great to see you, man. It's like I feel so guilty because we've been friends for so long and I haven't interviewed the interviewer yet. So
It feels weird, right? For me, anyway.
it certainly does. You did an interview with me 2 years ago or something like that. But, you know, it's getting complicated out there. And you really, what your niche is helping people be more successful in their business, where I pretty much just ruin businesses. So I'm curious as to, you know, what are you thinking about? Maybe like, let's say the top 3 ways hoteliers can think about revenue differently now as it's becoming more complicated out there.
I think number one is that they really have to think outside the box. Focus on other revenue. Focus on different types of upgrades. Focus on what the customer is looking for. Most customers, number one, is looking to protect their children. So they can go ahead and do a child-proof room, child safety room, and charge an additional $30, $40, $50 a night for that. The parents will pay it because they know that their child is going to be safe.
Yeah, because I remember I had twins, and when they were of that age where they were putting their fingers everywhere and stuff like that, you know, we would have to bring all this gear with us. All right, so that's a really good idea, and I think that kind of flows into the whole notion of thinking about the overall value of the customer and creating positive reasons for them to want to spend more money with you. Number 2.
Number 2 is going to be protecting the group rate. The group rate. Everybody said, hey, they'll have 10 rooms, all right? They can't sell these 10 rooms that they have because they're trying to protect the group rate.
Right.
Just upgrade the group and then lower the rate.
Yeah.
This way you're gonna try to lose, you'll lose a couple $100 versus a couple of $1,000, tens of thousands of dollars trying to protect a rate that, it's only for 10 people.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. All right, so Captain Obvious, what's the third one?
The third and final one is
not the final one, but the last one we're going to talk about on this podcast.
The last one is going to be, listen, get affiliate revenue, all right? Get the restaurants out there, get the what do they call them? It's a website, Get Around.
Yeah.
It's a Get Around website that has all the excursions and adventures that you can do, and just get paid for referrals.
Nice.
Build it into your package, get a lower rate for the package, and then charge something on top of that that'll take care of you.
All right, I love it.
My number one is massages. Like the massages, if you refer someone and charge, the hotel does the charge, the massage costs $50, the hotel will charge $100, or the massage costs $100, the hotel will charge $200. And they market it right there at the front desk.
Right.
So,
So put on you're selling a bottle of wine mindset, right?
There you go.
Yeah, I love it. Bruce, how can we learn more about what you do?
You can follow me on YouTube, Hotel Guest Management, and I'm also on LinkedIn, MTF Hotels as well. So I'm all over the place.
Yeah, you sure. And he's right here, right now, at our booth here at AAHOACON. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks, Red Roof. Thank you, AAHOA. We'll see you later.